Let us start with tuple now. So it is called a tuple, it is tuple. So you can just see the pronunciation. I'll just say it is tuple. Okay. So let me copy all the features of list here. So list and tuple are one and the same, but there is but actually. So when I always refer tuple, so tuple is exactly what list do, but tuple is denoted in this way, like a parenthesis bracket, and so it has exactly same features of list. Same features means like it is duplicates are allowed, heterogeneous objects are allowed, it is growable in nature, order is preserved, indexing and slicings are also applicable and possible. But when it comes to tuple, it is immutable. You cannot change the value inside the object for tuple or tuple. Understood? Let us do an hands-on on this. Suppose if I say t equal to, I can take any variable. Let me take b equal to. B equal to, so b equal to, let me take in this parenthesis bracket, and let me start saying that, hey, 10, can I take Python here? Can I say true, true? And if I say 10 here, and if I say again 20.5, so what does all these values are? Hey, I have taken duplicate, I have taken string, I have taken boolean, so heterogeneous objects are allowed and duplicates are allowed. I can see, you can see that 20, 10 10 is taken, and let us see that order is preserved or not. So for that, let me just use print b and run this. Yeah, you can see duplicates are allowed, the order is preserved, everything looks fine. Very simple. So just take print type of b. Okay, let me run this. So it will show you that it is a class tuple. Okay, so we are done with this. Now let us do some changes for this b. So hey, can you please uh, get the value of b, sorry, value of 0 to 1000, like we have done for list. So let me print b now later on. So it will change and it will show you the value of b. So it will show you the type error. Yeah, you can see it will show you the type error, and it says that tuple object do not support this assignment. So tuple cannot change the value, so because it is an immutable. But if you ask me like, hey, whether tuple supports the indexing and slicing, yeah, it supports. So let me show you. If I say, hey, can you please pull out the t of, sorry, b of 0? What is 0? 0 is my first index. I know that, hey, it is 10. So can you please print that? Yeah, it is printing. But in list also it was printing. Yesterday we have seen in list it was printing. You can see a of 0, a of 4. Slicing is also possible. Okay, but can I change that? No, I cannot change because tuple are immutable. Okay, if I ask you a simple question based on memory, or if I am taking a list, if I'm taking a tuple, so if you are talking about memory, which will consume more? Whether list will consume more or tuple will consume more memory? So here, if I just open any of the video, for example, if I open this video, fundamentals of data type, Pythons. Now, can you edit this title? Yeah, you can edit. How many times you can? You can edit 100 times. You can edit this thumbnails also. You can do all the settings. You can edit the description, you can change the playlist. So these are all list. It is like a list. So you can do, it is a mutable, it is changeable. You can change this, you can change this, you can change this. But what you cannot change this in this is your video. You cannot edit your video once you have uploaded. So your video becomes an immutable, and all these parameters becomes your mutable. That is like a list, and this becomes as a tuple. So I can give you a second example. If you go to your bank account, in bank account your account number cannot be changed, your IFSC code cannot be changed. So those are values which are stored in the tuple, so you cannot change that, your account number, your IFSC code. But your name can be stored, your name, your address, that can be stored in your list. Suppose if you want to like change your spelling name, or if you want to change your address, you can do that because that's stored in the list. So these are the real-time examples of list and tuple. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.